What's the meaning of blackcurrant? Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant is a small, round berry native to Europe and widely cultivated in many parts of the world, including North America. The fruit has a distinct dark purple color and is known for its tart, slightly sweet flavor. Its fragrance is also highly sought after and is used in many perfumes and fragrances. Blackcurrants are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a popular choice for juices, jams, jellies, and syrups. In addition to their culinary uses, blackcurrants also have medicinal properties and have been used for centuries to treat various ailments, such as inflammation, fever, and diarrhea.